This is what we did with our client who came all the way from Accra, Ghana. This is our final product that we happen to manufacture with the madam in the course of training her through the Kepad soap production kit. Her soap is being branded NAS, or the trademark of her product is NAS, N-A-S. So people from Accra expect to find this brand all over the city. We are going to show you how her cutting machine and the table roller stamp is gonna be sent all the way from Kisa projects to Accra. These are some of the parts of the illustrated table roller stamp and the illustrated soap bar table cutting machine. We are going to pile them together to assemble the cutter and the stamp in place. However, the client will be carrying them off Kisa projects to her final destination, which is Accra, Ghana, will take them in such a dismantled manner. You are going to continue watching this video as we show you how we properly assemble the illustrated soap bar table cutting machine and the table roller stamp. Here at Kisa projects, our number one emphasis is always on quality.
Why does Kisa Projects emphasize quality as the most important factor in manufacturing?
Well, quality in manufacturing depends on effective quality control, a set of procedures used to measure and test products for compliance. The main function of quality control is to ensure that all goods are free of defects, meet client expectations, and adhere to industry-based practices. Products have the potential either to increase customer satisfaction or to create legal and financial complications if deficiencies are found. In the current era where consumers are increasingly conscious of product safety and quality, it is paramount that manufacturers are doing all they can to ensure products meet all quality standards. Quality goods can affect a business's success and advance its credibility to the public. They can also lead to fewer production costs and increases in profits.
How is Kisa Projects of an impact towards achieving that?
With the existence of the African Home for Entrepreneurs, and that is Kisa Projects, entrepreneurs can improve quality control, decrease defects, and more through our hands-on industrial training and purchase of our proven production formulas. Kisa projects provide learners with a competence-based kind of training, and such training cultivates empathy, fosters resilience, encourages creativity, and promotes cognitive processing. This kind of learning shapes them into outstanding international manufacturers and allows them to standardize quality control, resulting in fewer errors, reduced defects, and streamlined quality processes that are faster and more accurate.
Okay then, now how do you define quality?
According to Nathan Matov, a professional trainer at the Kisa projects, quality in the manufacturing rhythm is all about following procedures to meet product and compliance specifications. Once the standard for quality is set, the rest is about meeting product expectations through standardized procedures. Quality in production can be broken down into three factors, and that is design, quality control, and quality management.
What do you mean by design?
When I say design, a product can be significantly improved by design. For example, goods like soap should be made with the right material to ensure functionality and a longer shelf life.
Then quality control?
Jumping onto quality control, the level of quality is improved when waste and product defects are reduced during the quality control process.
Won't you say anything concerning quality management?
Completing production processes that follow regulatory standards is at the core of quality management. Kindly note that quality affects every facet of manufacturing. Production of quality is more than just distributing products that people will trust and buy. Though that may be a key factor, quality affects every aspect of manufacturing, from workplace risk management to machine upkeep and inspection.
How does quality affect production?
Quality affects many aspects of production. Examples include the following: risk management.
Pardon?
This ensures products are safe to use by customers and follow safety protocols. Entrepreneurs should be able to improve risk management through standardization and optimization of quality checks. Regulatory compliance is a key component of quality and can help prevent delays in production and fines. With electronic booklets available at Kisa projects for their trainees, all project participants, call them manufacturers, are able to ensure workers have access to the correct procedures and that tasks are performed in a standardized manner to avoid errors and promote improved compliance. Waste reduction is possible when material resources are conserved and used accordingly in production processes. The Kisa-powered hands-on industrial training in conjunction with smart connected work solutions allow for improved streamlined processes that are able to reduce waste and improve yield through optimized production. Errors and defects are reduced when procedures are standardized using efficient quality control processes to troubleshoot problems.
Elaborate more now to improve quality in manufacturing.
Quality improvement in manufacturing is vital to ensure a business is performing at its best. For today, I will discuss only one way to boost quality with real-world example.
Go ahead.
Simply practice lean manufacturing.
What is lean manufacturing?
Lean manufacturing is the practice of reducing waste in production process. Waste is defined as anything that does not bring value to the customer. This method requires an examination of your current practices to see which works and which leads to greater waste. The rise of digital technology is making it easier and more practical for manufacturers to connect and digitize their operations and drive further improvements and enhance lean manufacturing strategies. In a bonus form, also take this from me. Implement total productive maintenance.
Is that what they call TPM?
Total productive maintenance, commonly abbreviated as TPM, focuses on the idea that every employee should do their part to maximize equipment effectiveness. The objective is to create a culture where every worker adjusts and maintains machinery over the course of each shift. Through a combination of digital work instruction and real-time collaboration tools, manufacturers can better implement and improve total productive maintenance initiatives. This allows operators to independently complete maintenance tasks at peak performance and improve overall equipment effectiveness. Lastly, for this vlog, embrace statistical process control.
Clarify.
This method involves detecting production issues by studying data anomalies to get rid of root causes before they ruin entire assembly lines. With connected frontline work solutions that are integrated with enterprise quality management system, organization can improve statistical process control by optimizing data collection and inspection procedures through their frontline workforce. This essentially transforms frontline worker into quality sensors that further enhance and empower overall quality efforts.
You have left me with no reason as to why I shouldn't choose Kisa projects.
Thank you. We are a home for entrepreneurs where no one can be too young to own a company.
I am indeed lucky to be here.
Start small, dream big, no limitation on what you can be if at all you put efforts onto becoming it.
I am now geared to becoming a successful entrepreneur.
Well, let it happen. So I want to take this opportunity to show you how we put the finished bar of soap into our general entrepreneurs bags. Make sure that the soap doesn't make the cavera dirty. If at all you are packing your soap into the cavera and the cavera turns dirty, just know that your soap has what we call soap scamming, something which is a negative to your product, or something which is not good for your product and even to the end users. So this is my bar of soap, this is my wrapper. So you just get the bar of soap, make sure that the word soap aligns well with the trademark of your product, because for instance here the trademark of this product is NAS, N-A-S. So I make sure that the word NAS aligns very well with the word soap. Then I fix the soap into the wrapper. It is simple and easy. So if you can come close and you see, if you can peep inside here, you can watch that the entire wrapper is extremely clean and smart. Eventually, now we shall have to seal our wrapper openings. And after sealing, we shall have to cut off the extra part on the wrapper. We are using a pair of scissors. So after packing our bars of soap into the general entrepreneurs bags and sealing them very well, then the next step is to cut off or trim off the extensions of the wrapper so that we make the product look nice into the wrapper, or the product look eye-catching. This is the quality we'll get when you come here to Kisa Project and basically choose the KPAD soap production training, because when you train with that through the KPAD kit, you get advanced professional training which is meant for commercial purposes. Look at the product, an high-end quality product. The product is grade 1 soap with a total fatty matter percentage which is 67%. Thank you for watching. This is how we do the toilet soap. And that's it. It has been wonderful working with you. I remain your Bonthani Matov here at Kisa Projects. Remember, you're located in Komamboga, Kumukaga, Rongaza. We are always open Monday, Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Those who want to talk to us, our contacts are +256 752492194 or +256 779593452 or +256 702 756 or +256 706 882. We are open Monday, Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Those interested in our parts of production kit, it goes at 5 shillings, 3 million. Thank you for watching. I sign out.